Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Fourth. Fourth means out from starting point and forward or into view. For example, the plants will bush out, putting forth fresh shoots. The plants will bush out, putting forth fresh shoots. Synonyms: out, outside, away.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Increased popularity and action brought forth legislation that could force change. Now, repeat after me. Increased popularity and action brought forth legislation that could force change. The second exempli. From that day forth, I would never be that same child. Now, repeat after me. From that day forth, I would never be that same child. The third exempli. The government is ready to take any challenge the outlaws have thrown forth. Now, repeat after me. The government is ready to take any challenge the outlaws have thrown forth.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.